Welcome to Pomodone, boosting productivity with Pomodoro sessions.
Pomodone is a powerful app that blends task management with the Pomodoro Technique. If you're new, this guide will walk you through setting up the app, adding tasks, and using Pomodoro timers to focus and get more done in less time. Let's explore how to turn your to-do list into finished work, one Pomodoro at a time.
Setting up your Pomodone account.
To get started, visit the Pomodone website or download the app and sign up with your email. Once registered, you can use Pomodone as a standalone tool or connect it with popular task managers like Todoist or Trello. Linking accounts allows Pomodone to sync your existing tasks, streamlining your workflow right from the start.
Adding and managing tasks in Pomodone.
After setup, add tasks directly in Pomodone or import them from your synced task manager. Organize tasks into projects or lists for better clarity. Prioritize your day by marking urgent tasks or rearranging them. Keeping your task list updated ensures you always know what to focus on during each Pomodoro session.
Starting a Pomodoro session.
Click on any task to begin a Pomodoro timer. The default timer is set to 25 minutes, followed by a short break. Pomodone will track your focused work period, notify you when it's time for a break, and log each session automatically. Adjust timer durations in the settings to match your work style if desired.
Tracking progress and staying motivated.
Pomodone keeps a detailed log of your completed Pomodoro sessions. Review these records to track your productivity patterns and accomplishments. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. With regular use, Pomodone helps build lasting work habits and makes tackling complex projects more manageable, one Pomodoro at a time.